And the race is on St. Mark. Livingstone from the outside is Buku Juice. Reading Machine down on the inside is Solar Power. Rushing up Princess Julian Bootlegs. Don Ezekiel. Black Label racing in 8th position. Running by Daryl Reyes Gold. Rushing up Executive Order. And Gedi St. Mark Wolf run second last. And My Sweet Leonora is running in 14th. Reading Machine by about 2 lengths, followed by Livingstone in second. Princess Julian racing in third by Darrell is entry number 1, Solar Power. Black Label, Buku Juice, Don Ezekiel, Bootlegs racing by Darrell's 8th position as they race the final corner. Reading Machine by about 3 lengths, followed by Princess Julian, a long shot from the outside. Bootlegs rushing up by Darrell. It's the Reading Machine, Princess Julian, Bootlegs, and Reyes Gold on the further outside. But Reading Machine finished the game second. Princess Julian, Reyes Gold, Bootlegs, Black Label, and for your Super 6, number 8, Livingstone.